Hi everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a galaxy pendant with a simple painting technique. Take any dark colored polymer clay sheet for the base. These are stencil brushes, they have hard bristles. We will need this kind of paintbrush in today's technique. I'm using these acrylic colors. Take a little amount of paint and dab it on the clay surface randomly, leaving some spaces. Position your brush perpendicular to the working surface. Blend the paint. First I used a cobalt blue. I fill the rest of the spaces with Prussian blue. Paint each color randomly, one after the other. The white color helps in blending and it will form nice gradient colors. Use black if you want your piece to look more darker. There is no specific way you need to follow here. You just paint whichever way you like. If you want more blue, then use it more. If you want more violet shades, use it more. You don't need to use the exact colors I used, because their names vary in different brands. Just remember this, to paint the galaxy, you just need to use different shades of blues, violets, magenta, black and white. You can also use red, orange and green colors in combination with these. This technique is similar to the video I uploaded a few days before. You might have already seen it, or if not, check it out, I'll add it in the description. Use a dry brush technique to sprinkle the white dots to paint the stars. I sprinkle little glitter for the starry shine. Cut the slab into any shape you prefer. For the pendant, I am using an intricate texture sheet. On the clay sheet, having a similar thickness to the base sheet earlier, imprint the texture. Use the same sized clay cutter and the next bigger size to make a ring. Remove the center. Take a thin sheet of clay. I am texturing it with a sponge. Turn it and attach the slab piece to it. I am using a tablespoon as a mold for the pendant. Attach the clay to the domed side of the mold carefully. And now attach the ring frame to the mold. I'm adding a gold mica powder on the ring frame on the raised texture. Apply the mica powder on it. Now it's ready for baking. These are finished pieces. I applied a thin layer of resin. Use any kind of sealant with a gloss finish to protect the mica powder and glitter we used. I also made earrings to match the pendant. It's the same process without using a doming effect. The pendant was sanded. These are direct cut slab pieces. I use silver findings. These are modern and simple. I just wanted to show you both antique and modern variations for this technique. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.